Okay, I want to make a little video about why, if there's anything wrong with your toilet fill valve and the water and the level, just replace the gasket. So I just want to show a little more detail than the other videos might show. So this thing, I disconnected the lifter here, but you can see if it's even if it's down, it's just dripping through here. It's not even coming through this hose that it's supposed to come through. So definitely something wrong, right? So it shuts off if it lifts, which is fine, but the flow just trickles out of this thing to fill up the tank, and then it doesn't really stop. So I'll show you why. So we'll shut this off down here, and we'll go ahead and flush that. So the other video to show, you disconnect the filler, take the hose off, whatever, turn this 90 degrees, and then there's this little valve. So this guy just pops out. Now I was trying to troubleshoot this. Now there's no reason to replace any of this. None of this has any like wear parts. It's just this. So I took it apart and they were like, oh, clean it, maybe there's debris in it, right? So I did, and it looked fine. Everything looks fine, but then I went and bought another part because I couldn't get it to work. So no reason not to do this. This thing's like $3.50 at Home Depot, so there's no risk in just buying one. So let's just take a look at the two next to each other, because the old one on the left looked fine. Everything looked fine. There's new on the right. So everything here looks okay. Let's see. So I think this, if you put them side by side, I think you start to sort of see some different, goddamn. And sorry, I keep dropping things. So let's put these like right next to each other, like this. So let's see here. They look pretty similar. Everything looks pretty similar. I could say on this one there looks like some wear. Like if you do this, it looks like there's some wear right in that center part. Like it's kind of tearing almost. It looks like, but it wasn't torn through. So a little flexible, like that. And this one looks okay. So anyways, takes 2 seconds to pull that apart. And then this just sticks back on that little needle. If I can get it with my one hand. There. And that's it. That's all there is to it. So we're just going to do that and put that back together and see if that fixes all of our problems. Okay, so back on there. Turn it. Open the water. And should shoot out the side, so that's good. And if we lift, nothing happens. Oh, look. So if it lifts, it shuts off just fine. Cool. Look at that. Okay, fixed it. So, $3. Always replace the part. You don't need to bother taking all this stuff apart. Because, I mean, all this floaty thing does is move up and down on the thing. It's like, there's no wear items. It's not attached to anything. So if this moves, it's doing its job, okay? So the only part that matters is that little valve. Hope that helps.